set up auto lock, and in 30 seconds or so it should automatically signal the lock on. And the steps are pretty straightforward with setting an auto lock, and I would definitely recommend that people use that, because it's something very useful, and you see that it just turned itself. So the way to use the auto lock is as follows. You enter your personal code, which in order to create is step 1 in the handling identification process. You enter your personal code first, then click the lock unlock button right on top, then click the number 5, then click the lock unlock button again, and it does the trick.